Hey guys, me Abby, and today on Abby's Homeschool I'm going to be cutting open some awesome squishies. Okay, let's get started. So, first, I've got this cool squishy banana. It feels like it's got like sand in it. So, it says squeeze me, jokes and gags, naughty nana, and it's HTI. And I got it from the reject shop. Okay, let's get my bowl. Or tray. Anyway, let's cut this tag off. Go. Now it's naughty nana. Okay, we're gonna cut its eyes first. Okay, so it looks like the eyes are just rubber. Oh, I can just peel them off. I lost my eye! Oh, let's peel the other ones. And just a normal banana. There are 2 eyes. Now let's get snipping. Gonna nip it at the top first. Oh, what is that? Some kind of, I don't know, it feels sandy. Get it all, just snip it. Okay, here it comes. Oh. Oh my god. What is that? It feels like salt and sand combined. I'm gonna try that, guys. Anyway, so yeah, this is pretty cool. It's really nice. Okay, let's put all that to the side. Now, this has an awesome JoJo bow that I got from Kmart. JoJo. It has mermaids on it. Okay. Get everything ready with this squishy. It's a clam. Like some kind of little mermaid pops out. So I'm going to cut like the actual clam. Or can I just pop it out? I think I could just pop it out. Look at that. That's awesome. So there's the surrounding clam. This is the actual squishy. It actually looks like the clam. Oh, that feels so cool. So cool. Anyway, let's see what's inside of it, and we'll get the mermaid out. Ah! Oh! Go get some tissues. Splashed everywhere. There's the mermaid. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Maybe this is like some kind of activator or something. That's what I think it's activator. Hold on 1 sec. I'm gonna grab some of this paper towel. It's everywhere. Hold on. I'll show you. I'll show you what it looked like in a second. Where Okay. Here's the cool mermaid. She feels very rubbery. What does it smell like? Spell it again. If you do this with this clam, oh, I got this clam for the reject shop as well. If you do get one of these and cut them open, don't eat this. It's very bad for you. I think it's activator. Do not eat that activator. Okay, this is a tag of little pearl with the mermaid in it. It has like unicorns and mermaids. It's called Magical Kingdom Squeezy Shell. And that's also a HTI like the Naughty Nana was. And this was also from the reject shop. So that was pretty cool. That was pretty fun. Now, let's put these to the side. Let's just do a little bit more cleaning. Here's Jojo over here. You can't really see, but he'll get snipping on this like little banana. Naughty Nana. Naughty Nana, the Naughty Nana and the clam are just rubber. Give me a sweatband. Doesn't fit. That was crazy fun. It's like amazing. All right, I'm gonna clean all this up and get ready for the next video I'm going to film in a second, which is going to be My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew. I'm going to do openings. And then maybe the day after or later or the day after or just one day, I will show you a review of some of my dolls. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe and put thumbs up, please. And comment down below anything you want, but like if you've ever had a squishy or if you've had a squishy and which one's your favorite. And subscribe so you can see lots of my videos. Alright. Okay, one more. Okay, bye guys.